Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to do a little bit of mixed media. Going to draw out a rose and use some watercolor for the background and Prismacolor color pencils for the rose. I was going for like almost antique-y kind of a background for it, so I just kind of played around with splotches of color, kind of a sepia kind of a look. I sprayed it with my water bottle and dabbed it up with a paper towel to try and give it a little bit of texture. I used a little bit of salt as well. I used pink and a peach color and a yellow on the rose petals. And different shades of green for the leaves. I had colored in one leaf like it was a petal because I forgot that it was a leaf, but I was able to erase and go over with green to return it to being a leaf. And then I used Mona Lisa odorless mineral spirits to blend out the color pencil. It helps blend it and bring out the vibrancy of the color pencil. If you do any color pencil work, I suggest giving it a try. It dries pretty quick, but you do want to wait until after it dries before you add more layers, so that way you don't mess up the tooth of the paper. And if you're just starting out and you don't have odorless mineral spirits to blend with, you could also use some rubbing alcohol. It gives you pretty much the same effect. It dries quick too. If you're just wanting to see what kind of effect you can get, you can start with that. Using the mineral spirits lets you be able to layer a lot more because you're not barnishing the surface of the paper. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.